Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to insert bullet points in your Notion template. You're going to want to make sure you can see this command so that we know that you can add this in this particular area where it says write something or press space for AI /for commands. You can enter a basic box in by the plus button, or you can do the / and look for bulleted lists in that list, or you can type B for it to populate up to the top. You're going to want to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see that a bulletin point and the word list appear. That lets you know that this is going to be a bulletin point. You can push enter after this and another one will show up. If you push enter and nothing shows up that resembles the bullet point and the word list, you're not going to be able to enter that in as a bullet point. You're going to have to go back, erase, and make sure you are pushing enter or something is going on with your formatting. Now, this doesn't work like the check boxes where you can just click on the checkbox and it will cross it out. You're going to have to highlight it. And once you highlight it by double clicking on it, it's going to populate this little menu. And you're going to want to go to the S where the S is streaked out. And that's going to let you know that they are crossing out that text. And once you click on that, it'll do that. And then that is how you insert bullet points in your Notion templates. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.